Today we are going to discuss some very important short question from the geography part of your SST subject. Geography lesson number 7. The name of the chapter is Lifeline of National Economy. For the CBSE student of class 10. So let me start in question number 1. In which year was air transport nationalized? Here we have to give the year, that is 1953. In question number 2, which type of roadways reduce time and distance between mega cities? As you know the different type of roadways, but here we have to mention the golden quadrennial super highways, which reduce time and distance between the mega cities like Delhi, Bombay, Calcutta, Chennai, etc. In question number 3, which super highway connect Srinagar and Kanyakumari? The North-South Corridor is the name of that highway which connect these two cities, that is Srinagar and Kanyakumari, the extreme north and extreme south places. In question number 4, which places are linked by the East-West corridor? So East-West corridor connect Silchar and the Porbandar. Here you have to mention the name of the state also. Silchar in Assam and Porbandar in Gujarat. That is the extreme eastern state and the extreme western cities of our countries. In question number 5, what is full forms of the CPWD, that is Central Public Works Department? Question 6, what is called a six-lane superhighways? Dear students, you should keep in your mind that is the six-lane superhighways means golden quadrilateral superhighways. In question number 7, name the national highway number 1. So national highway number 1 is known as the Sher Shah Suri Marg. Sher Shah Suri has made this road. Next question is, which national highway connect Delhi and Amritsar? That is national highway number 1. Sher Shah Suri Marg is running, connecting the Delhi and Amritsar cities. Next question, name the longest national highway. It is very important, and as it is longest highway, you should also know the what is its length and between the extreme two cities. So first of all, national highway number 7, and its length is 2369 kilometers, and it connects the Banarasi and Kanyakumari. Next question is, which national highway runs between Delhi and Mumbai? It is very simple. In national highway number 8. In 11, which national highway covers most of Rajasthan? that is in the Indian state of Rajasthan, which national way is running there's the national highway number 15. Next, who maintain district route and to which places are connected by the district route. District routes are maintained by the Jila Parishad and it connects the different uh, places of the district connecting to the headquarters. The next question is which routes receive special attention under the Pradhan Mantri Gramin Sevak Yojana. Dear students, this Pradhan Mantri Gramin Sevak Yojana is basically concerned into the rural areas connecting the city or town. So this Sadak, that is roads network in the rural areas facilitate the people to communicate them with the local town. In question number 15, write the full forms of BRO. When was it established? So, BRO's full forms is the Borders Road Organizations and it was established in 1960. Here you should keep in your mind that the roads are of different kind and the department CPWD, then CP, besides CPWDs there is PWDs and it is another Government of India undertaking organization, the Border Road Organization, and its function is to create and maintain the road in bordering line. As you know, our country's northeastern part is landlocked areas. So here the border line is demarcated by the roads and this type of boundary roads are created and maintained by these organizations. So it is very important to know the full forms as well as its functions and which type of organization is it. It is which type of organizations? It is a government of India undertaking organizations. Then question number 16, how you will classify route on the basis of the materials used for constructions. Dear students, here you have to classify the route under the basis of the materials, that is which materials are used in making the routes. So from this viewpoint we can classify in two categories, that is metalled route and unmetalled route. In question number 17, what is called the length of route per 100 square kilometers of the areas? So 100 square kilometers areas mean how long route is there. It is called the route density. Next question is, when was the Indian Railway from Mumbai to Thane established? What distance does it cover in kilometers? This is very one vital question regarding the communication, basically regarding to the railway network in our country India. As you know, the first railway line was made in 1853 during the period of the Lord Dalhousie, and the distance was covering 34 kilometers, and the two important places connecting to was Mumbai and Thana. Mumbai and Thane. This is very important questions. Next, in which regions does Konkan Railway runs? Konkan Railway is one important region, and here you have to keep in your mind that the Indian regions are divided in coastal, east coast, west coast. So here coastal region, that is west coast, will be your answers. In question number 20, his communication network become more important in our national economy. So communication systems are concerned with the trade and business as and ultimately with the national economy. So here the railways is the network whose transport system is basically improve the national level communications, and the trade and business are improved because of this. Now we are coming in question number 21, which transport network is mainly used for transporting oil and natural gas. Dear students, you know one comparatively newly network, that is the pipelines transport network is basically and importantly used in transporting oil and natural gas. And from the very beginnings of the ancient times, this pipeline transport systems was used in delivering water in city areas and industrial areas. But nowadays it is used for the oil or the liquid, crude oils, gas. These things are transported. Even the iron items also, that is lorry. Hint 22 question, into which state is Kuali located? Kuali, it is very important place because of the oil refinery centers, and it is located in the Gujarat. You should keep it in your mind for the purpose of map work also. Name the first port developed soon after independence to is the Mumbai port. So here's independence. After independence, the port Kandla, it is in the Kutch regions of Gujarat. This port was developed to ease, to help, to lessen the burden of the Mumbai port. So this is very important to keep in your mind. The most important and the biggest port is Mumbai port, and to lessen the burden of its work, the Kandla court was developed immediately after the independence was received. Okay, children, now we are coming in question number 24. Mention the total numbers of the major port in India. That is total major port. Major port numbers is 12, and you also know the other number of other ports are 200. So major ports is 12. In question number 25, name the biggest port in India. There is nothing to explain, it is Mumbai. Name the deepest landlocked port in India. That is the Visakhapatnam is the landlocked port. Last question is, in which state is Paradip port located? Paradip is another important port, and it is also very essential for the map work. So you should know the location, that is in Gujarat. Sorry, I am extremely sorry. It is in Odisha, Indian state located. So dear students, you have got here's by 27 important questions and their answers also on the basis of this, and in this pattern you should create you can create some more questions which will be very beneficial for the purpose of your CBSE board examination. Thank you very much.